Hi there, students. A mediocracy. Mediocracy. Okay, this is a system which is ruled by mediocre people. And I think this is very true. I think we do live in a mediocracy, ruled by mediocre people. Yeah, being ruled by people who they're okay, but they're not brilliant. Let's see, this comes from the word mediocre. If something is mediocre, it's okay, it's not brilliant. Yeah, it's not really very good. And then you could have the noun mediocrity. Yeah, the quality of not being very good. So the mediocrity of most of the restaurants in this area is quite amazing. Yeah. Okay. Mediocrity. It talks about a person who's not very good. Yeah, they're not very good in particular. These people are just mediocrities. So I think if you actually look at our life, we are ruled by mediocre people. I don't think they're totally inept, but they're not very good at it. And I really do think we live in a mediocracy. Notice mediocracy, that crassy, aristocracy. Yeah, the crassy bit is talking about the people who rule us. Yeah, so a mediocrity ruled by mediocre people. I think one of the characteristics of democracy is the fact that it really becomes a mediocrity ruled by a mediocre group. Yeah, this word crassy comes from Greek aristocracy, democracy. Yeah, has the meaning of rule, government body. Yeah, bureaucracy, meritocracy. Yeah, so a mediocrity, yeah, is a world which is ruled, or a society or a group which is ruled by the mediocre. I also get the feeling that most of the people who really would be very good at being in charge of our system just won't do it. They just don't want to do it. So a mediocracy. I think this is a phrase that was probably coined by Fabian Tassano. Okay, so a mediocrity, rule of the mediocre. Yeah, notice mediocrity, the state of being mediocre, the mediocrity of our system, the ordinariness, the mundaneness. Yeah, the fact that it's very second rate, the mediocrity of most of the things that we receive, because we don't normally get things that are first rate, that are the best of the best. Yeah, and therefore, yeah, our lives are ruled by a mediocrity, ruled by the mediocre. These are the people who tell us what to do. Formality, mediocrity. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Use it informally, I think maybe just. Probably better in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Yeah, and then, okay, this all comes from, it's a mixture of mediocre and crassy. Mediocre from mediocris in Latin, in a middle state, moderate, middling. Yeah, and then Mediocracy, this idea of ruling. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Mediocracy.